First recipe video, 15-minute cookies.
You'll need some wax paper, half a cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, and half a cup of milk. Turn your burner on high. In a large pot, add sugar, milk, butter, and your cocoa powder. Stir until boiling. Keep stirring while you let it boil for 1.5 minutes. Turn off your burner. Then add your oats, your peanut butter, and your vanilla. Then stir. Stir until mixed through. Place down a large sheet of wax paper. Then drop scoops of your mixture onto your wax paper. It makes about 20. Yum! Leave until they're hard. Lastly, peel the cookies off the wax paper. Voila!
There we go, 15-minute cookies. I hope you guys caught that creative bug.